Hi everyone. Our next topic is multiplication of expression. Right. Also, ki next topic dikhala na multiplication of expression. Expression is multiply kandis chevo me. So in case of multiply, there is no need of like term. There is a need of like term only in case of subtraction and addition. Addition to subtraction chikpu lakhar gore like term tayar. But in case of multiplication, there is no need of like term. Now first of all, we are going to multiply monomial by monomial. So first of all, we are going to multiply monomial by monomial. For example, monomial means only one term in an expression, right? So suppose x is a one term monomial, by means multiply, and then we are going to again what? We are going to write again monomial. So x is a one term monomial, 3y is another term. Khala wala na monomial by monomial. Monomial ta monomial multiply tanglar. Pensation x dikare monomial cha sa by lana multiplication and 3y dikare monomial cha sa. So monomial ta monomial multiply tangna what we will get product as, right? The product is, see, we are going to multiply, right? So x multiply 3 multiply y. X multiply 3 multiply y, which is equals to 3xy. Understood, Chase? When we multiply monomial by monomial, we will get a product as a monomial. Monomial rasa, monomial ta monomial gyurna alar. Answer dikhadu in monomial rahe relar. Tada 3xy. 3xy is a monomial. Let's take an example, one more example. Suppose we took example 5x multiply 4x square. Now this is a monomial. This is again an example of monomial. So monomial multiplication. First of all, we are going to what? Multiply the two numbers, right? 5x की factor घर करे रहे 5 in 5x we have a 5 and x multiply 4x square means 4x x. Now we are going to multiply the numbers first. So we are going to multiply 5 and 4. When we multiply 5 and 4, our product is 5 4 is a 20. Now here 1x 2x, 3x. So x raised to the power 3. So your product is 20x cube. Go to say. So 20x cube is again a monomial. When we multiply monomial by monomial, our answer is always monomial. Go to say. Again, I'll give you one example. Last example of monomial by monomial. Okay, now, for example, 2x plus 5y. Okay, 2x multiply 5y multiply 7z. Now, multiplication of monomial by monomial. 2x is a one term. 5y is another term, 7y is another term, right? This is a monomial, right? When we multiply three monomial number, first of all, we are going to multiply the numbers itself. So number 2, 5, 7. 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70, right? So x multiplied by y multiplied by z. So it's 70 x, y, z is your answer. Go to say. Okay, now our next topic is multiplication monomial by binomial. Binomial means two terms, monomial means one terms. Okay, now we are going to multiply the monomial by binomial. So let's take an example. First, we are going to take an example of monomial. So 3x. 3x is a monomial. Bi means multiply, and binomial example, we will take a binomial example. That is 5y plus 3. Now it's similar like a distributive property. So what we will do, this monomial will first 3x will multiply with the 5y, and then after that it will multiply with the 3 itself. So when we solve this, 3x first multiply with the 5y, and then we write plus, and again 3x will multiply with the 3. Go to say. Okay, now 3 5s are 15 and xy plus 3 3s are 9x. So this is your answer. Go to say. Monomial by binomial. Monomial multiply by binomial. Understood? Okay. Next, we are going to multiply monomial by trinomial. Monomial by trinomial. Okay, the monomial by trinomial reta. The monomial the khazure only one term. Let's take an example once again. Suppose I took an example 7x as a monomial. By means multiply, and I'll take a trinomial example. So 2x, okay, 2y plus 4z plus 3, like that. So this is the trinomial, right? Trinomial la term sumdua. Tela monomial by trinomial. Again, what we will do, this monomial will first multiply with the 2, then it will multiply with the 4z, and then it will multiply with the 3. Distributive property. So 7x, first it will multiply with the 2y plus, then 7x multiply with the 4z plus 7x will multiply with the 3. Now you're going to solve this, right? So 7 2s are 14 and xy plus 7 4s are 28. You can write xz plus 7 3s are 21x. This is your answer. Understood, Chase? This is a monomial by trinomial. Our next topic is multiplication of expression, right? But in multiplication of expression, we are going to multiply binomial by binomial. So binomial by binomial, again we are going to take an example. Suppose I took example 2x plus 3y multiply, by means multiply, and I'll write 6x plus 6x plus 8y. Okay, now what we will do, hanzo khacher lana ta dikha rahe binomial re, binomial by binomial ler. First binomial. First of all, this 2x will multiply with this 2, and then this 3y will multiply with these two, right? Ta khande solve cher ta binomial by binomial thang bha jere 2x di tinso ni kan yam do gyure. So 6x plus 8y yam do gyure. And it plus 3y di 6x plus 8y ni kan yam do gyure. So now we are going to distribute this. 2 6 the 12 when x and x is x square, plus 2 8 the 16 xy, plus 3 6 the 18 xy, and 3 8 the 24 y square. Now these twos are like terms. Again we are going to combine these two. So 12x square plus 16 plus 18 is 34 xy plus 24 y square. So this is your answer. Binomial, how you will solve binomial by binomial. Go to say. So next we have binomial by trinomial. Suppose I take an example. A plus 7. This is a binomial, right? Bi means multiply. Trinomial lana pinchashana a square plus 3a plus 5 len. Tat chipa chigyana ta thangbo. First of all, a will multiply with all these, and then secondly 7 will multiply with all these. So first of all, a will multiply. So a square plus 3a plus 5. Goes to say, any khanchere plus 7 che. Yangya ranja 3a square plus 3a plus 5. Now we are going to solve this. So a multiplied by a square, this power is 1. So in case of multiplication, base same power are added. So a raised to the power 3 plus 3a. So 3a raised to the power 2, 5 multiplied by a is 5a. Plus 7a square plus 7 3s are 21a plus 7 5s are 35. Now again we are going to check whether there is a like term or not. If there is a like term, then we are going to collect them and add them together. So here a cube term dwe dela mindwa. So a cube